It's an exciting day. We're on our way to Monument Valley. Nothing but blue skies, but we have to deal with that. We tried a year or so ago to get in, and it was closed due to COVID. Well, this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, along with Dave Perkins. You excited for Monument Valley, Dave?
Oh yeah.
And good. And Chad Barton back there in the back. You excited for Monument Valley, Chad? Must be a thumbs up. Okay. Great. Meanwhile, roll that intro. Before making our way to Monument Valley, we decided to take a short detour to a place about 14 miles further south called Agathla Peak. Agathla Peak is an eroded volcanic plug, much like Shiprock in New Mexico, which I will also share with you right after our visit to Monument Valley. Well, I don't know where you are, but here it's morning, and it's a cold morning, about 14 degrees outside, and we are at the Shiprock Formation in northwestern New Mexico. And there's Dave Perkins, and there's Chad Barton, and there's the world's oldest vlogger, Scott Law, and getting ready to brave the cold and go out there and get some beautiful shots as the sun comes up on the Shiprock. Let's see what we can get. this is some interesting geological formations we have here. It's called the Bisty Badlands. We're still in New Mexico at about 70 something miles from the Ship Rock. Well, this wraps up today's post from the world's oldest vlogger. I hope you got some enjoyment from seeing Agathla Peak, Monument Valley, Ship Rock, and the Bisty Badlands. Chad, Dave, and I certainly did. Watch for the next and last portion of our road trip as we make another stop in Moab, Utah before heading home. This is Scott Law reminding you to keep on keeping on.